Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is accumulative. 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 Accumulative is an adjective that describes the gradual process of gathering or amassing something over time. It refers to the accumulation, growth, or buildup of various elements, whether tangible or abstract. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Compound interest leads to the accumulative growth of savings and investments. Why accumulative is used in example number 1. Accumulative describes the continuous growth of savings and investments through the power of compound interest. Example number 2. The accumulative effects of pollution are detrimental to the environment over time. Why accumulative is used in example number 2. Accumulative highlights the harmful effects of pollution as they accumulate and worsen over time. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.